Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about yesterday I have taken trading GBP USD. I will show how does I enter in the market. So in my YouTube channel, I don't reveal my entry module. So today I'm going to reveal that. This is my first video. I'm going to reveal my entry video. So let's enter into the trade breakdown. Okay guys. So I have take my trade in New York section. Okay, in GBP USD. So first thing I see the overall trend. The market is bullish. The bias is bullish. So I took buy trade in GBP USD. So first I think I need to find my bias. So first thing I find my bias which is bullish. So then I am waiting for liquidity shift in London section. So I am waiting for in London section the shift is does not taken. When New York open, the liquidity shift has been taken place. First step. Second step. Okay, I have placed the video in my YouTube channel. A plus plus setup for buy entry model. So by using that in that entry model, I have taken my trade. So second step, which is known as market structure shift. So in second step, I have placed my market structure shift, and that which is known as I place my entry in the order block, bullish order block in 5 minutes. You can read above content. First thing is sell side liquidity in 1 hour, and below one FEG which is in 1 hour, and market structure shift in 3 minutes, and bullish order block in 5 minutes, which is my entry point. Target above swing. Next I have take my trade. So okay, finally I got my entry in order block. So I think the market will go above. So my target has been hidden. So I think you understand how the trade I has taken. After that super trade, within 30, 40 minutes, no, within 1 hour, my target has been taken. So now how much in last video I have uploaded about risk management, which is 1:3 risk reward ratio. I is 5.6 pip and target is 22 pip, which is 1:4, nearby 1:4. It is good trade. So finally it's profit. So hereafter I will break down my trade details in this YouTube channel. If you have a doubt, you can ask in comment section. I, I hope you understand. If you don't understand, you can ask me. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, we can see in the next section. Okay, guys, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can come in comment section. Okay, guys. Bye, guys.